You can just show.
So मैं जो चाला
I
ना
think
है.
you please give away this side so that they can. There is a Neolithic mortars. I think it has been while taking out something happened. So that I think they have used for grinding technologies and all. So this is, you can see, this is a typical Neolithic mortars and all. And they must have put some items. It is called well to keep it any kind of grain or anything, and they must have moved around, and between the right it's a like shopping areas. So this is called, I use to teach in all of you, the quern is that is which is used for the such grinding purpose. I'm out. And this is I think typical the hand axe, very nicely done. I think it's you can just look around, so sharpen, and it's used to, and they can make way, because without handle, with the inbuilt hand, this is called hand axe. So this is a typical Neolithic revolutions artifact sculpture. That means you can just imagine the authors of this, they have learned the technique of sophistications, the stone into this design. To make this must have involved a great degree of accuracy and also the skill, and it would have been not possible to any of the lay. So these are very important things which you need to, if you are a layman, this looks like a simple stone. But if you are artifacts and like that, I know a little bit. Though I'm not practicing, but I did my master's in the archaeology. I visited, so this is what it's a typical hand axe. This is, and next, this is the one which is very important. So this portion they'll put the woods here, and this will be used for, this is another. Okay, and this will be need a two purpose. One, with this they can all the meats and anything, and then they can pierce, and they can also cut with this, with the hand, and this can also use some extra wood could have been put by piercing another, and it could have been easily. So this is like the shovel kind of thing in the course of time. So this is very distinctly hand axe. Look at there, and I think all of you see. What about that side? Without saying yes, saying yes. Yeah. So
Yeah, can you guys please just sit down?
this is the finest form of the hand axe.
Sit down.
That means you have seen the difference. That is very rough, but this is almost finest, highly polished. That means it has reached to the full-fledged Neolithic revolution, and it is just beyond the Mesolithic period. So you can just imagine 10,000 BC our people have developed this hand axe. And this is used for a multi-purpose with this piercing, and it can also, and it is, I think, very important. You can feel touch, it's a widely well polished. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
And you can just see this is different. It is not much polished, but it's a kind of scrappers and everything is used. So to do all these things, so these are the raw materials which was a, this is also very sharpened, and this has been used as a placking. The placking means because some novices are there who are generally try to learn from the elders. So these are the lapped over and they could not finish halfway. So the place where we found there, most probably all the materials which were finest form must have been taken out. I think you all know this is a meteoric stone. It's some kind of the shining. It's a meteoric stone. It must have been used for the different purpose by mixing with along with the electron when they developed the tin and a zinc to prepare some kind of handle, because they have just recently gave up the new technology by using gene and things. So this is what the first iron technology is done. So what is the iron? I have taught in the first semesters. What they known as in the people of what is that called? Greece. When that, do you know what I taught you all? Do you remember? They call it as a Isa, and Isa means God. So they thought of meteor is a sent from the God, and that is what first iron letter they must have been furnace burned through a winnowing furnacing burning, and this has been melted and they made it the iron. That is called a English word has come from the Isa to the iron. Okay. A raw kind of a hand that's tried to make it. Maybe it is why the novice has did it, and so on the process of thing, maybe it's like when the parents are doing something, the parents must have gone for the hunting and catching the antelopes or the caribou. So they must have been sitting, maybe something they try to learn. So they did this very roughly, and this has not been finished. But it's very sharpened, and it can also still make use. This today we brought it. I think this is the one which we brought today. See, this is today we have brought it. So you, is it not?